Valentine's, it's not just red and white anymore. Now it can be any color of the rainbow. And what would be better than the Pantone Color of the Year, Peach Fuzz? Materials, of course, roses. What else says love and Valentine? Picking it up to a more contemporary mode by going to the peach rose, the Pantone Color of the Year. Container, ceramic, filled with floral netting, so it's foam-free. Dusty Miller and blooming quince. Starting the base, a bit of the Dusty Miller, cutting it down, dividing it out so it can get deeply into the water, removing lower leaves, then placing it so it drapes across, helping to break the line of the container. The quince, bringing that in, removing any side shoots, then giving it a sharp break so it's very jagged. That way it will hold better. Then placing it in, coming at an angle to help frame the bouquet. Lastly, I'll add a little bit of eucalyptus just to add some interest. With the framework established, it is time to tuck in the flowers, keeping some down low, tucking them in, and then others a little bit longer, carrying the eye upward, following through in the same form that you've established with your branches. To capture Valentine's, have to add a little bit of red, some beautiful spray roses, tucking them in, and they actually pick up that little bit of red that's on the guard petals of the peach and truly shout out, I love you, happy Valentine's. As a final touch, adding some deep burgundy carnations tucked very low because they'll draw the eye into the center of the design, right down low, pulling the eye inward, and for texture, a little bit of waxflower in the soft peach, filling in and adding a bit of contrast. The recipe, a base of flowering quince, Dusty Miller, and eucalyptus, then 12 of the Carpe Diem roses, 6 of the red spray roses, 6 of the burgundy carnations, then a bit of waxflower. To make it truly Valentine's, tucking in hearts. These were handmade. If you want to see how that's done, look at the Flower Lovers Club in the Technique Library. Wonderful presentation by Teacher Michelle. Valentine's, the love-hate holiday, but seeing beautiful inspiration like this, then it's a love holiday. For more inspiration, check out the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. What are you going to create for your Valentine? Take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.